Welcome to the short segment from our coverage of the Kosrae State Trade Fair. This exciting 3-day event, hosted by the Kosrae Department of Resource and Development, celebrated agriculture, fisheries, and value-added products. In this segment, you'll see interviews, showcases of local produce, handicrafts, and much more. Please note, the opinions shared in the interviews are those of the interviewees and do not necessarily reflect the views of the Department of Resource and Economic Affairs. Stay tuned to explore the vibrant culture and innovation of Kosrae.
State ke yemiseria of post-hara barangay promote even agriculture sector, fisheries sector, oil land trade again. May tatagay na hotpot from them.
Ito malap kasi ako po lang mga uli kat one stay kat aklat pero ito fair last state fair okay kasi 2024. Kasi lang si meat pam sa one stay right pa agriculture.
We met lagi siya taga bangon ko shine and say oxygen cattle.
First state fair incorporate agriculture, fisheries na iplan value add coin kato iplan export. Kato as mesenge yo kanigi iplan usa anan man ale kato as variety katliye ke can be better. Me aso la masin na mainan na yok na export el manas kenaliye kafafa.
Well, Nick Pachimi ita, Mama Lim, at we participate in Kosrae State Fair, and we asa itam si ikas nga gusto ko. Ang aso na liye pala result ako kaya. Kaya mga non ko sa masih diumay kan sikyak tinga pala. Ngau si matapon pe, Urilelis, Gepich, Ush, Taiwan, Ushnalo, Kurnesi, Lime Tune, Lemon Tune, Bell Pepper, Ushpichi, Chapele, Kotaro. Alam na, encourage farmers nga, into dakyok ye, in may tatala mo yok isto, or daling kan rely on local foods, in cheaper, in dala waste money. Na pwede nga alam mo, majority nga encourage farmers, magsaya penge. Alas mo yung buyers na phone lang siya kaya break ngayon. Asapuri mo na kayo wapinan ko siya in akayikot tapawikot in mayok yung kalikoray yan masa ngayon. Ang alas mo yung farmers nga alay ngayon pa na itala orange post na yan eh.
Ale kafe nasin mo mamatakinan ko sa iyo pati yakitela apa na at fin iskat siyang nagimul sa makatagan mas ni katin line kaya tina is dapat tina loose nana ka Kosrae Farmers Association Kosrae Farmers members ke Kosrae Farmers makimirangan na formula chairman ke Kosrae Farmers pa Poli Andrew vice pa Bigek Sailisa secretary pa Yossi Ruenton mga pa may simlandan kung ka hindi lalaman din ala pa kantan mo talag kinga hindi ka even ni katana first trial last pa nga tangal yung mga na arson na mawarikin okay mapana nga matawag siya nga limang tagapugosi matawag kuyak pang then kayo matawag mapin may resources para natural fishing that using agriculture nga di na pa yung siya yan min alam manas tower yan ni Melas saya Parang nga, alay nga, wili nga, siyempre masin may tatan ko yung ditsin mo kayo nagkimasa. Nga support na pa yung ipan agriculture yung. Dan ko yung may, but yung ito yung yung dalit natin sa younger generations, yung dan ko yung matawag ka mga sila yung, di ka yung muralos na nagkita yung fashion. Dahil din na lang imported. So, ano na, yok na mo din mga.
I'm from Fiji. I'm working as a doctor here in Kosrae. Unprocessed meat stuff like that in the shops, supermarkets. What top one we have in the Pacific Island is diabetes and diabetes.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.
All right. Cool.
Krumal na mais ya kilin itu fin wo mo langs nan kat. Kete kuilani marina
OP Maya Fakadagat Kilan di dua terap ta kumbinarak na wigat ni kipensing agat chat na tapan med ma Carmen Records ki batara elos pa sige silak lagin ka in tally of results ki batar kilan missing ingin lang pero na may los saklaan nagdeka inakalim niya missing na results on
katkiri inas ekle correct makinyen resources la so ma financial sa tender bukin yo keten material relying ki masaya mi
We use the Jinchao technology to produce mushroom. Then we come here to show others to see what the mushroom tastes. Because this is a client for the first time, they taste the mushroom, right? So after you tasting, please tell us how is it?
I'll tell you.
Yeah. Then we will show you how to plant the mushroom. Use our Jinchao technology.
So what are the ingredients we're using today? What are the ingredients we're using to cook the mushroom?
We just use the flour and some eggs and some seasons. We mix with the flour, then we cook the egg to fry it, and it like the shape like the drums, the chicken drums, but taste like and smell like fish, but taste like chicken.
Yes.
Yeah, it's right.
It's good.
It's good.
What you're saying is this variety of mushroom we can grow here on the island?
Yes, it's fast. We can plant fast like we plant Saturday, but we harvest Thursday. So that means only 5 days you can from the bags to harvest the fresh mushroom. You can see this is a fresh mushroom we not harvest. Only less than 1 week you can harvest and you can sell.
Okay, so within a weekend we can harvest the mushroom and start cooking it.
Yeah, and this bag not only for one batch. We harvest and we wait 2 days, then we irrigate again. The mushroom will come again. So that means we can harvest 4 to 5 batches. Only one bag.
Right.
We can harvest many times. That means not only one time we can harvest. So one bag, like this one bag, we can nearly harvest 1 kg. 1 kg is nearly 2 pounds of 2 pounds of fresh mushroom.
Right.
And I think the price of this fresh mushroom is good. So we thought in Kosrae we have good market
Right.
for promotion. And we also can let more people know this technology. We show this technology for free. And not only for the mushroom cultivation, we also for the animal feed. We plant our grass. We call the Juncao grass.
Right.
Jun is fungi. Cao is grass. We use grass to cultivate mushroom, then we call Juncao technology. And we use this grass to feed animal because this grass is high protein, crude protein, good for the animal feed. So it can make animal more healthy and reduce the cost for the feeding.
Who's who you work with?
Department of Resource and Economic Affairs.
Treya.
Chair. Yes.
Okay, that's good.
And we will ask our friends to get more promotion or training course to that more people knows our Jingchao technology.
Right.
And welcome all of you to come.
Okay.
Thank you.
More importantly, the project, the digital technology, it can be solve the many problems with the sustainable development.
Correct.
Thank you.
Right. So we can go ahead and start testing the end product, right?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Huh?
We need to learn more.
Yes.
这头长，应该会来。
他先在里面转一圈。
应该会来。这些等一下。
Okay, Professor. Okay, bye, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
We wait your official come, then we show the
Yeah.
mushroom to all the people.
Hello, Marchie.
Hi, Aaron.
Good morning. Can you tell us where you're from?
I'm from Seattle, Washington.
What brings you to this event today?
I want to learn about this island and the people and what's available, what happens here.
So, have you heard about this island before, or have you been here before?
No, first time we sailed from the Marshall Islands to here. We're
So
anchored
you've been
out in the bay.
traveling-
3+ years on our sailboat.
Would you recommend Kosrae to any people out there?
Absolutely. I love it here. People are so kind and generous and really been fun.
Nice.
Well, this is our first island from Micronesia, but Marshall Islands, then here, we came from Mexico, Hawaii, Marshalls here. And I think the best thing about here are the friendly people. When you come as a visitor, it makes such a difference if you feel welcomed, and it's just been great. Yeah, so it's all about the people for me. And then I love learning what you do here for fun or, your culture.
Nice.